guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to curl my hair with a hair straightener. I'm going to be using Philips BHS 385 hair straightener. This is more of like budget hair straightener in Philips brand. In this video I'm also going to share some very important tips that you should check in your hair straightener before purchasing, or you should keep these things in mind before selecting a right hair straightener for yourself. So let's begin. I have already done a separate video in which I have used this hair straightener for straightening purpose, and I have shared all my thoughts, opinion and feedback about this hair straightener. In this video I am going to show you how this hair straightener curls my hair. This hair straightener comes with sleek plate, but it is not long, it's medium length plate. First thing. Second thing, this hair straightener doesn't comes in a barrel like shape. The shape of the hair straightener is flat. The tip of the hair straightener is flat and edge of the plate of this hair straightener is very sharp. If you can see the side edges of the plates, it's sharp and it's flat. And also this hair straightener comes with maximum heat of 210 degrees Celsius and minimum heat of 190 degrees Celsius. So these are the two temperature on which I am going to show you how this hair straightener performs in terms of curl. On one section I will work at 190 and the other section I will work at 210 degrees Celsius. This is the first step I like to do it. And I like to put a little bit extra serum, like especially when I do my curls, because for curling purpose we need more temperature, we need high heat, you know. So I'm using this section clip to adjust my hair. So I like to take this straight section from the bottom of my hair like this. So first of all I will like to straighten my hair. I like to create my curls on hot and straight hair. Straightening will reduce any kind of frizz and waviness from the hair, and hair will look fresh and shinier. And over this hot hair, if we create the curl will be very long lasting. So that's really important. We should follow all these things. I will twist my hair and then slowly I will slide the straightener towards the tip of the hair. We have to keep this process smooth so that the hair will glide smoothly throughout the plates. So this is how the curl turned out at 190 degrees Celsius temperature, which is the lowest heat temperature of BHS 385 hair straightener. So I have fixed the temperature at 210 degrees Celsius and let's get started now. So I will straighten my hair first. So you can follow exactly what I am doing here if you want to achieve curl like this. Alright, so this is how my curl looks at 210 degrees Celsius, guys, and this is the result. So the curl pattern is a little bit bigger and it's not more like spring like curl or round shaped curl, it's more like waves, if you can see. Because this hair straightener has this flat iron shape, so definitely the curl will take the shape of this hair straightener. So that's why the curl is like this. It is more towards the waves, not like very round. Next I'm going to do at 210 degrees Celsius temperature, which is the high heat temperature. I want the curling process to be quick and fast for me, so that's the reason I like to work at highest heat temperature. So guys, I have already curled my hair with the BHS 385 hair straightener, and as you can see it creates big size curl on my hair, and the curls are not very cylindrical in the shape, round in the shape, it's more like wavy and it's bigger in the size because of the flat plate of this hair straightener. This is not barrel like shape. I just want to give you an example and show you one hair straightener. This is Vega hair straightener. It's VHSH20. So you can see if I compare the shape of both of these hair straightener, let's see the shape. Vega hair straightener appears more sleek in comparison with the Philips hair straightener. Vega has more cylindrical and curvy top, whereas Philips hair straightener comes with flat top. So this hair straightener is perfect for creating curls, because when you wrap the hair around, the hair will take the actual shape of this hair straightener, which is more of like round and cylindrical. So this is the difference I wanted to share. For creating beautiful curls, we need sleek and long plate, whereas the Philips hair straightener comes with sleek and smaller plate. So when you wrap the hair around and you slide the straightener, hair slips from the plate and it goes somewhere around the handle part, and because of that, heat transfer doesn't happen to those section of the hair and the curling process becomes messy. Whereas if you take an example of Vega hair straightener, it is more, the plates are sleek and longer in comparison with Philips hair straightener. As you can see, the plates, Vega is longer. So if you work with these kind of sleek and longer plates, so during curling process, the hair will not slip off the place, because there is more gap, more space in the plate, and hair will stick around these plates and it won't come out, and curling process will be more smooth. Heat will transfer to each and every section of your hair. So these are the things. This hair straightener comes with the maximum heat of 210 degrees Celsius temperature. 210 degrees Celsius is the high heat temperature on which you can do the curling, but definitely we need more heat. Sometimes the temperature won't be suitable for all different hair texture also, because it comes with 210 degrees Celsius only. So yeah, these are the things I wanted to share. But yes, straightening wise, 210 degrees Celsius temperature is fine. You can do the straightening at this temperature. This is the ideal temperature, because in straightening we press the hair and we run the straightener, whereas in curling we twist the hair, we put some pressure, and then we try to create certain pattern and texture on the hair. So that's the reason we need high heat temperature when it comes to the curling part. This hair straightener comes with the basic coating, which is the ceramic coating. Ceramic coating is really nice coating. You can do the straightening, the straightener will glide smoothly. But if you want to go one step further, then you can prefer the hair straightener which comes with keratin infused ceramic coatings. This is the Philips BHS 386 hair straightener, guys. If I compare both of these hair straightener, appearance wise and size and plates and everything is similar, functionality is similar in both of these hair straightener. Only the BHS 386 comes with keratin infused ceramic coating, which is one step further and advanced plate in comparison with ceramic coating, and you just need to add 300 rupees extra and go for this hair straightener. That will be nice. Like, yeah, so these are the things I wanted to share. This is the final result of curling when you do it with BHS 385 hair straightener, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. You might have got some ideas like how this hair straightener perform in terms of curling wise. I take a lot of effort, guys, in terms of creating my video. With every straightener I do straightening, and I also create curls and try to give you like a complete package of information so that you can select a right hair straightener for yourself. I hope you like this video, so do subscribe to my channel. It will boost me, it will encourage me to do a lot more such videos for you guys. And you can also check out my Instagram. I love doing makeup, so I come up with a lot more interesting makeup looks. I also review makeup products, so if you are interested in that, then do check out my Instagram. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay connected always, all the time. And I will see you all soon in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye guys.